Hello everyone, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Have you ever wondered how some creators design polished presentations in minutes instead of hours? Today, I'm going to reveal two powerful Google AI tools that can instantly generate professional quality presentations. And the best part is, they're 100% free. If slide design usually feels time-consuming or overwhelming, this video will completely transform your workflow. I'll guide you through both tools step by step, share a simple editing trick to elevate your slides visually, and finally show you how to combine these tools to create full PowerPoint presentations with minimal effort. Make sure you watch till the end, because the final combination is a true productivity breakthrough. Let's get started. The first tool we'll explore is Google Gemini 3. Yes, Gemini can now generate complete PowerPoint-style presentations directly inside its interface, which is a huge advantage for students, educators, and professionals. This tool is ideal for anyone who wants to save time while maintaining a clean professional look. Let me briefly explain how the interface works. Creating a presentation with Gemini 3 is straightforward. All you need is a clear, well-structured prompt, and Gemini handles the rest. For this demonstration, I asked Gemini 3 to create a professional presentation on the impact of social media on mental health. I requested 12 slides to ensure the topic was explored thoroughly and logically. To get high-quality results, prompt structure is key. I specified that the first slide should be a title slide with the presentation title, a strong subtitle, and presenter details. The remaining slides should examine different dimensions of social media's influence on mental health, including emotional well-being, anxiety, depression, self-esteem, and future implications. I also listed the exact themes I wanted covered so Gemini could assign appropriate content to each slide. Finally, I requested a professional, neutral, and research-based tone, making the presentation suitable for academic, professional, or conference use. Now here's an extremely important step that many users overlook. Inside Gemini, click on Tools, and then select Canvas. This step is essential. Without enabling Canvas, Gemini cannot generate visual presentations. Once Canvas is activated, Gemini begins generating the slides automatically. Within seconds, your presentation is ready. You can scroll through the slides directly inside the interface and review the content. The results are impressive: well-organized slides, relevant points, and a strong logical flow. The presentation clearly explains how social media affects mental health, both positively and negatively. Currently, Gemini 3 doesn't allow full editing inside Canvas, but don't worry, there's a simple solution. Just click Open in Google Slides. Once opened, you gain complete control over the presentation. You can edit or rewrite text, replace images, adjust layouts, change fonts and colors, add or remove slides, customize everything to match your brand or style. When editing is complete, go to File, download and export the presentation as a PowerPoint, PDF, or any supported format. This is the final version of our presentation on social media and mental health, fully editable and professionally designed, created in minutes instead of hours. Okay, now, let's move to our second powerful tool, Google NotebookLM. NotebookLM allows you to upload multiple source types, including PDFs, text files, Markdown documents, audio files, Google Drive content, website URLs, and even YouTube videos. What makes NotebookLM unique is its ability to analyze multiple sources simultaneously and produce a unified understanding, perfect for research-based presentations. Okay, for this example, I'm using 3 academic papers focused on social media and mental health. First paper is Impacts of the Use of Social Network Sites on Users' Psychological Well-Being, a systematic review. Second paper is Use of Multiple Social Media Platforms and Symptoms of Depression and Anxiety, a nationally representative study among U.S. young adults. The third one is Social Media Risks and Benefits, a Public Sector Perspective. After uploading all 3 documents, NotebookLM quickly processes them. All right, once completed, it generates a combined summary titled Social Media Impact, Mental Health and Public Sector Dynamics. The summary highlights key findings, patterns, and contrasting viewpoints from all 3 studies. So, on the right side of the interface, you'll notice a feature called Slide Deck. Clicking this option converts your uploaded research directly into a visually polished PowerPoint presentation. In less than a minute, NotebookLM generates a complete slide deck based entirely on your academic sources. You can preview the presentation directly within NotebookLM. Each slide includes well-structured content, relevant visuals and infographics, data-driven insights, professional formatting. The AI intelligently matches visuals with the content, significantly improving clarity and engagement. Once reviewed, simply click Download to receive a fully functional PowerPoint file. Okay, NotebookLM doesn't stop there. You can also conduct research directly inside the platform. Click on Discover Sources, enter your topic, for example, impact of social media on mental health, and choose between Fast Search for quick results, Deep Research for detailed exploration. I selected Fast Search, and within moments, NotebookLM identified 10 relevant sources. After importing them, the tool creates a comprehensive summary synthesized from all sources. Once again, click Slide Deck. In about a minute, NotebookLM generates another detailed presentation incorporating insights from all 10 sources. The slides are structured, informative, and visually appealing, covering every major aspect of the topic. This is a complete PowerPoint presentation created entirely with NotebookLM, from research to final slides. That's how you can create high-quality PowerPoint presentations completely free using Google Gemini 3 and Google NotebookLM. Try these methods yourself and share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI-powered research and productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.